Dance!
and run. Rhyming words is so much fun. Words are so magical. It's fun to learn a new word every day. That's what I always say. What word did you learn today? I'm a fairy in training. Being friends with you is so magical.
What you doing?
When I rhyme, it's magic time. Rhyming words is what I like to do. Here is how you can rhyme words too. Just find two words that you can sing. Sound like bug and rug or round and round. Say and
Are you gonna dance? Dance!
words is so much fun. Words are so magical.
Hey, Vivi. Psst. Vivi. Mwah. Can you blow me a kiss? Are you just gonna ignore me? Hey. Mwah. Nope. Get down. Listen to the song one more time. When I rhyme, it's magic time. Oh goodness, hold on. Here. Hee Dance! Dance! Have the same sound. Yay! Oh. Okay, can I have a kiss?
Words are so magical.
Can I have a kiss? Vivi.
Fun to learn a new word every day. That's what